Now make sure you keep an eye out. You know, a lot of people don't see the red on the side there where it says Red Edition. You know, you might start looking through the car. Welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today, we got the Target Red Edition cars. And again, our buddy Brent. Man, that guy's been coming through like crazy, bringing us all kinds of cool stuff. Let's get right to it. 3 cars in the let's see, what this is, the P case. Now, if you guys are lucky enough to get any of these cars, hey, good for you, man. Because the only way I get them is if Brent finds them, because I never find them, you know. So first one up is the Joey Logano Custom 2018 Mustang GT, Ford Mustang that is, before they went electric. Can you believe that they did an electric Mustang? Like an SUV? What are they thinking? I don't know. I don't know. All right. This is a nice candy apple red. Now, I've heard that there's two color swings on this, you know, a light and a dark, so keep your eyes open, like I said, if you're able to find any of these, all right? But yeah, nice candy apple red, has a dark charcoal gray interior on it, and it goes with the splitter on the front. The base is black, and it goes with the grill. That's nice big opening in the front end there. The tampos, yellow and white, all over this thing. And the wheels are blacked out MC5s, tiny ones, all the way around with a white ring around them. Next one up is the Sand Blaster. Again, I have seen a light and a dark red on this, red enamel for this one. The interior is black, and the base is also black plastic. Got a great big push bar on the front. The windshield, well, actually all the windows are tinted dark, and it also includes the big, you know, desert lights up on the top there. Got white and black Borla tampos on the hood, on the side there. Looks really nice, and it has really large blacked out bead locks all the way around. Man, have some fun in the desert with that. Next one up is the 91 Mazda MX5 Miata. Now make sure you keep an eye out. You know, a lot of people don't see the red on the side there where it says Red Edition. You know, you might start looking through the cars and you say, oh look, there's a little white Mazda. But hey, if you know what you're looking for, then you know this is it, because it's not red, it's white, and it's got red chrome MC5s all the way around it. The interior is black plastic. The windshield is kind of dark tinted. Taillights done up really nice. Got a license plate on the back, looks pretty cool. Got a license plate on the front too, and got the headlights done in silver. And that is about it for this. Oh, it's got a black plastic base. So there you go. There are all 3 of the Target Red Edition cars from the P case. Let's get to another exclusive. This is the 64 Nova Wagon Gasser, and this is from Walgreens. And it says that, it doesn't say, wow, it doesn't say that it is from any case code like the other one. Imagine that. Oh, the last one is O on there, but yeah, it should say D9 COP for this, and D910 for this one. So it's missing a letter from the cases. So now I know that this was supposed to be out a long time ago, and probably because of COVID and all that, it didn't make it. So they're showing up now at your Walgreens. Our Walgreens always late with whatever we got going on. And of course, Brent, my buddy Brent found him because, man, I've been searching everywhere. Nothing. But Brent did find him. Now, there's is the 64 Nova Wagon Gasser, and it is the Southeast Gassers Association. And this is a really cool car. The paint is a satin blue, a dark satin blue. The interior is chrome, got a big chrome fuel-injected engine. Boy, that sounds like an old Beach Boys song. Got a fuel-injected engine sitting under my hood. Oh, it's got no hood, though. But, yeah, it's got a, looks like Hillborn injection on there. Interior, chrome. The windows are a light blue tint. Has chrome front grille, headlights, front bumper, rear bumper. The base is black plastic. Front wheels are skinny 5-spokes. And the rear wheels are nice, big, fat slicks with chrome 5-spokes also. Now, I have two of them here because there is a color swing. We have a light and a dark on these. I'll tell you, I've been trading that Brett pretty good. Keep his eyes open for color swings. So you guys keep an eye out too if you're lucky enough to find any of these. Look in. There's a sidekick that these are in, and you got to really look for them. I guess they had 2 sidekicks when they showed up. So you know, usually they don't put them anywhere near the Hot Wheel aisle. So when you're out there at the Walgreens, walk around, see if you can find them. All right. So there you go. We got our Target Red Edition, and we got our Walgreens Exclusive of the Southeast Gassers Association. Thanks again to our buddy Brent. You know, always helping us out so we can show them to you. Thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. Appreciate it all the time. Please leave us a comment. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Ring that bell, and you always get a notification when we put something new out. Please share our videos. Please give us a thumbs up. Give us just say hi down in a comment, all right? And please be kind to one another. So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, you guys take care of yourselves. Please be safe out there, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.